Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today I am in my basement, and namely in my storage unit. And this video will be split up in 2 or 3 parts, and this is the part 1. I want to show you a project I began with yesterday, but the project is not finished yet. And I will show you what we did yesterday. So I changed the view. As you see, the shelf. This is the shelf I bought. And it fits very well. And I can fit 2 side by side, which is also nice. And on this shelf here, I will store my water. So I have plenty of space to put my water on. As you see, this frame is made of aluminum, so it is lightweight. And it took us 3 hours, for me and my friend, to put it together. This is the finished shelf. Really sturdy one, but the reason is why I'm not finished with it. I have to build the other one, put that up, and then we have to secure it into the wall before I put things on the shelves. So I'm gonna show you this. This is the second shelf. In parts, but we will put that together next Tuesday. So this video will be short, so guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the shelf. You have to excuse me if it is a little bit shaky, because I have no gimbal, so we'll try to back off so you can see a little bit more. Oops. Well, it's really a beautiful shelf. Really sturdy, and for the price, it will do for my purpose. And each of these shelves will take 175 kilo. So totally on the whole shelf will take 875 kilo. So I will fit a lot of water on this shelf. And the next shelf will come up next to it here. On that one I will store my food. And I have to secure that also to the wall. And I don't have a drill to do that, so my friend has one, and he will help me with that too. So guys, I end this video here and now, and thank you for watching. And if you're new here, please subscribe, like, share and comment. And guys, I will see you in the next one. Shadow Scout Swede out.